Whether you're cutting firewood, clearing storm-damaged trees, or maintaining large properties, having a dependable chainsaw can save both time and effort. Today we're reviewing the Husqvarna 460 Rancher gas-powered chainsaw, featuring a 60.3cc bi-torque engine, 3.6 horsepower, a 24-inch guide bar, an automatic adjustable oil pump, and a design built for demanding outdoor work. But is the Husqvarna 460 Rancher still one of the best gas chainsaws for homeowners, ranchers, and professionals in 2026? Let's find out. The Husqvarna 460 Rancher is designed for users who need more cutting power than entry-level chainsaws can provide. It's ideal for property owners, ranchers, farmers, firewood cutting, tree maintenance, and land clearing. With its larger engine and longer guide bar, it's capable of handling medium to large trees while remaining practical for regular outdoor use. This model is built to balance power, durability, and everyday usability. Let's begin with performance. The chainsaw is powered by a 60.3cc two-cycle X-Torq engine producing approximately 3.6 horsepower, delivering strong cutting performance across a wide range of wood types. Husqvarna's X-Torq technology is designed to improve fuel efficiency while reducing exhaust emissions compared to older engine designs. The 24-inch guide bar allows larger cutting capacity, making it easier to handle thicker logs and larger trees without constantly repositioning the saw. Its high chain speed helps produce smoother, faster cuts through hardwood and softwood alike. The Husqvarna 460 Rancher also includes several features designed for convenience and durability. The automatic adjustable oil pump helps provide consistent chain lubrication while allowing oil flow to be adjusted based on cutting conditions. The ergonomic handle layout offers improved comfort during extended work sessions. LowVib vibration dampening technology helps reduce operator fatigue by minimizing vibration transferred to the handles. Combined with durable construction and easy maintenance access, the chainsaw is built for long-term reliability. In real-world use, the Husqvarna 460 Rancher delivers excellent cutting performance for demanding property maintenance. It easily handles firewood preparation, fallen trees, large branches, and routine land clearing projects. The powerful engine maintains strong cutting speed even when working through dense hardwood. The vibration reduction system makes longer cutting sessions more comfortable, while the automatic chain lubrication helps maintain smooth operation. For users who regularly work with larger timber, this chainsaw provides significantly more capability than smaller homeowner models. So, is the Husqvarna 460 Rancher gas chainsaw worth buying? If you're looking for a powerful, dependable gas chainsaw capable of handling serious wood cutting, tree trimming, and land management, this is an excellent option. The combination of a 60.3cc bi-torque engine, 24-inch guide bar, automatic adjustable oil pump, LowVib technology, and Husqvarna's long-standing reputation for durability makes it a smart investment for demanding outdoor work. While it requires regular fuel mixing and maintenance like any gas-powered chainsaw, the performance, durability, and cutting capability make it one of the strongest choices in its class. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or current discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of outdoor power equipment, chainsaws, landscaping tools, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.